In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort emails by size in Gmail. If you've ever found yourself wading through a sea of emails trying to figure out which ones are consuming the most space, you're in the right place. Sorting emails by size can be particularly handy if you're nearing your storage limit or simply want to keep your inbox organized. So let's dive right in and take a look at how to easily manage this process. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to Google. It might seem like a simple step, but starting at the Google homepage will make sure you're on the right path from the get-go. Once you're there, you'll notice the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on that. You'll need to enter your login credentials to access your Gmail account. Signing in is crucial here because only then can you access your email settings and tools, which are necessary for sorting your emails by size. With your credentials entered and your account unlocked, direct your attention to the top right part of your screen again. Here you'll see the Gmail option. Click on it to head straight to your inbox. This takes you to your Gmail account, which is kind of like your digital office. It's where all the sorting magic happens. Once you're in your inbox, focus on the search bar at the top of the page. It's a powerful tool that sometimes goes underappreciated. Click inside the search bar to activate it. This is where you will be entering specific search criteria that allow us to sort emails by size. This often overlooked feature can instantly bring some much needed order to your inbox chaos. Now, we've arrived at the step where the magic really happens. In the search bar, type in the search criteria to sort emails by size. You'll want to use a search term like larger 5M, where 5M stands for 5 megabytes, or whatever size threshold makes sense for your needs. This command will display all emails larger than the size you specified. You can adjust the number according to the size you need. This is a super effective way of identifying the email culprits taking up the most space. There you have it, your emails sorted by size in a few easy steps. By following these instructions, you can manage your email storage more efficiently and keep your Gmail account running smoothly. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now have a bit more control over your inbox. Feel free to explore and adjust the method to suit your needs, and remember, a well-organized inbox is just a few clicks away. Happy sorting!